sweetie? How's your sleep? Good, good, good. How's your stomach doing? It's doing good, it's feeling better. That's good. What about your head? Are you still feeling sick? No, that's good. I'm glad. I'm glad you're not feeling sick anymore. Start feeling better, sweetie. You know, everything's gonna be okay. I promise. No, sweetie, is there anything I can get you? Anything whatsoever? Maybe some water, or I could make you breakfast. Yeah. Or do you want a purse? I can get you a purse. Or a brand new car. I remember the other day I saw you eyeing that Lamborghini. I can buy 3 of those for you. Or like maybe a jet. Do you want a jet? I can buy you a jet. No? You just want me to lie down here with you? Yeah, I can do that, baby. Of course I can. You know, it's gonna be the 3 of us pretty soon. Me, you, and the baby. To me, it's still a little bit wild. I really thought in a million years that I would never be a father. But having one on the way with you, it's such a dream come true, honestly. I'm so lucky. No, sweetie. I know it's scary. But it's okay. You have me. Everything's gonna be okay. The baby's gonna come out so beautiful. And everything's gonna be so perfect, okay? You have nothing to worry about. No. I'll always take care of you. And I'll always take care of the baby. Of course. Anything for you, sweetheart. Let me touch your belly. Your skin's so soft. I think I can feel the baby moving. It's kicking a little bit. I feel it. I know. It's wild. We're gonna be parents. We're gonna have a family. I know it's super crazy. It's wild. I still can't believe it. Sweetie, you're gonna be a great mother. Don't worry, okay? You don't have to worry. You really don't. You're gonna do fine. I know you're gonna do fine. because I know how caring you are. I know how nurturing you are. And I know how loving you are. That's why I fell in love with you in the first place. Because you're just so perfect and lovely in every single way. Okay? So you don't have to worry. Okay? Of course. Of course. Of course I'm gonna be a good husband. And a good father. I can promise you that I'm gonna be the best father. The absolutely best father I can be. I'm gonna love you and raise our baby. I'm gonna protect you and love you and take care of you guys. Because you guys are my everything. I remember when I first saw you. I thought you were the most beautiful girl in the world. You were amazing. And I had to come up and talk to you, so I did. I was so nervous. I was like really, really nervous. It was so nerve-wracking. But I can't believe you said yes when I asked you for your number. That was really, really shocking to me. I was really shocked. And when we went on that first date, I knew you were the one. You were so caring, you were so loving. Everything about you was amazing, and it still is. I really did know that you were the one. I knew it. I felt it. And I still remember your dress, what you wore. I still remember your perfume. I never felt love like that before, and it was love at first sight. It was love really quick. But here we are now. Look at us. We're gonna have a family soon. This has been the most amazing journey of my life. The babe is kicking. The babe is kicking pretty hard. Okay. Does your belly hurt? I see, alright. Let me get you your water bottle, okay? The heated water bottle for your belly. Give me 1 second. No, you can go, sweetie. I got you a heated water bottle for your belly. I feel better. It does, huh? Of course, sweetie, I would do anything for you and the baby. Absolutely anything. Here, let's cuddle. Come here close. Let's cuddle. Good. You know, sweetie, you really do have the most beautiful eyes I have ever seen in my life. Your eyes are something special. And I'm not just saying that. I'm not just saying that to impress you. You know, your eyes sparkle. They do. They sparkle. Especially when you talk about something you love. And I mean, it's kind of distracting sometimes, but I don't mind it much. I mean, who wouldn't get lost in your beautiful eyes? I know I did. I'm serious. And sometimes when the light just hits your eyes just right, they glow. They have this unique beauty to them. But seriously, you should be really, really careful with eyes like those. Because you might steal someone's heart without even trying. You know, you got the most beautiful lips in the world. They are. Your lips are beautiful. There's something about them that just draws me in. When you smile, it lights up the whole room. And everything just fades away. I can't help but feel so lucky to be with you. And when you speak, I can listen to you for hours. Your beautiful voice combined with the way your lips move just mesmerizes me. Makes everything you say feels so special. And I want you to know how much I appreciate you as a whole. I do. And your lips are not just beautiful. They hold this warmth and kindness. And it's so comforting to be close to you. I mean, sweetie, you're amazing inside and out. And your lips are part of that whole. And your hair. And I just love your hair. And I love brushing your hair behind your ears like that. Your hair looks so soft and beautiful. And I love the way your hair shines in the light. It gives us this nice glow. And sometimes I get lost in it. But your hair just frames your face so perfect.